My question I would like to propose is, when I was growing up as a child, my father worked in a plant in the local area. And I know I was exposed to it, and I know he had some form of lung cancer or problems with breathing. As children, we grew up as doctors diagnosed us as asthmatic. First, I would like to know, is there a time frame? Because I'm in my 50s at this time, and in my younger years, I had a child who died, and death certificate saying is unknown. So the causes was unknown. He got sick and died within 24 hours, and I was wondering, could that be related to asbestos in any way, shape, or form? And how would I go about contacting someone for help?
Okay.
I think the first scenario you were describing, where you were being exposed to asbestos potentially from being around your father, that could certainly be a situation where your breathing complications from washing his clothes or simply hugging him when he came home from work could eventually lead to breathing complications to yourself. As it relates to your child, that's one of those tough scenarios. I don't think I can draw a conclusion and say that particular cause of death could be related to asbestos, unless he could have been exposed along the same lines as you, if that be the case, and could have developed maybe mesothelioma. I'm not particularly sure about that.
But in terms of legal help or legal issues, sure. There's a very good possibility that, in probability, sure. that claim or the time period is run if that happened back in her youth, right. with her child. So,
with respect to a person dying of a health claim in Alabama, it becomes what's called a wrongful death claim. And within a 2-year period of the date of death, that's when a claim must be brought. It's just a prescribed time period signed by the state.
Okay.